Something super sweet that just dropped on the website, this carbon fiber crossbar with all the stainless steel pieces. This is what comes in the kit, the carbon fiber crossbar, and you got 2 long frame bolts and 2 short frame bolts. The 2 long ones, of course, go through here like that. And these are just included so that your frame bolts match. I've already got frame bolts on mine, but this is a really good upgrade if you haven't done frame bolt upgrades on your Ruckus before. These things are easy to install. All you need is a 17mm wrench, an 8mm Allen. Doesn't even need to be a long extended Allen, that's just what I'm using. And of course red Loctite, because you don't want those bolts to come loose on the install. Okay, so first thing, I'm just going to put red Loctite, and these Loctite sticks are the best. A lot of times people use a squeeze bottle, then you end up stepping on it, ends up all over the garage floor. These are the best. So these are all pre-red Loctited, so we're good there. Head back over to the bike. Normally, you would have really ugly frame bolts in here, just the stock bolts. And I already have these installed, so in your situation, you would take these out. If you have a tank cover like this, you can get in there without removing the tank. It's a little difficult, but so we're not doing this step since it's already been done. But here we are. We're just going to do one at a time because we don't want to put too much tension on these 2 bolts. We got the Loctite already on there that we just did. I'm going to slide this through here. This is our fuel injection hose. I'm just going to keep that. All I'm going to do is get this fairly tight, but not like, I still need to be able to swivel it around. I'll leave it kind of loose like that, about like that. And I've already done this, but you would loosen this, get this to the direction that you need to so that the bolt slides in there perfectly. We'll do that in just a sec, but first I need to remove this bolt. Okay, remember that this is the bolt that I pulled out. The new one is longer. Very, very important step. Make sure you're using the longer bolt that's supplied. Okay, let's see if I got this right as far as the adjustment. Yep, I did. If you didn't, then you're going to have to pull this out, move this, or you can actually just twist this like this. Let me show you actually. So, see, I can hold this like this and twist it, and now it's going way out. See how it's at an angle? We don't want that. So I'm going to go the other way. See how that goes in there real nice? It's still kind of at an angle. There we go. So keep these nuts loose when you do this. And now I'm going to tighten this one all the way since I know that we got the other bolt in. Nice and tight. You can look up the spec in your user manual for your frame bolts, but for me, I'm just snugging it down. Okay, now you notice these are loose. Grab my 17mm, tighten this down. That. Now on the other side, this one's reverse thread, so you loosen it to tighten, tighten to loosen. There, got her installed. Add a little more pizzazz to your hot rod. This part can be found on our website at rollingwrenchdenver.com. Appreciate you guys.